sweet. Swan dive to the concrete floor. The pavement never felt so warm. One look and you already know she's gonna cut you, gonna cut you, gonna cut you, cut you real deep.
It's damn cold, okay? And only I am dressed for the weather. Like, I have my sweater. Everybody's wearing this small clothes and they're gonna suffer, but I'm very warm, so that's good. Hi guys, so I'm back at home and I just finished packing because I am leaving for my college tomorrow. So I just wanted to leave an honest review about Annapurna resort, and also keep in mind that this is a very personal based review, and I don't mean to offend or insult any place or person. So the Annapurna nature retreat, it is a very comfortable and a beautiful place to come and hang out with your friends or family. It's located in a remote area, so it allows you to just just be in the nature and not have to worry about any of the fast life or anything. But I must say that there were a few things that we were not happy with, or some things that just did not sit well with us. Okay, so first of all, Annapurna is a little bit on the expensive side. Quality of food that was served, it was not at all up to our expectations. Like, had they served us a little better quality of food for the same amount of money, we would have been satisfied. Also, the staff, they were very negligent. They were not helpful, and we had to request them multiple times for a single thing. So yeah, that is another thing we were not happy about. But other than that, it is a very beautiful place to come and spend with your friends and family, though it is a little bit on the expensive side, and that's the only thing. Yeah, so that is my review for Annapurna retreat, and if I had to give it an overall rating out of 10, I would give it a 6. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.